Yamakawi writes, "Hi, are the touchscreen failures on the 2019 through 2021 FX Series skis common? Have Yamaha made improvements to the screens to make them more reliable?" I have not seen a dealer recall or a dealer notice for touchscreen failures. Have you guys?
I've had a few people email me asking about it.
Okay.
Theirs did fail, but in
I've heard of them.
2022, yeah, I mean, I don't think it's very common. In 2022, they did switch all the screens. The FX HO got the 5-inch, the SVHO got the 7-inch, and now they all have the 7-inch.
Right.
But I don't know if they made a change to make it more reliable. It is a completely different screen and interface, so maybe they did. I have no idea, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I don't. I really, again, I'm pretty on top of most service bulletins, and I don't recall seeing one coming through for Yamaha, which makes me think it's not common. But then again, I have seen and heard people complain about it. So,
Yeah, the same on my end. I got a few personal friends that have had some issues on there. I want to say it was 19 models, 2019, 2020. I don't know past that, but Duke never did receive any kind of campaign or anything, recall like you said either.
Okay, so
I have heard of a few of them.
I wouldn't say they're common, and I haven't heard of a fix, but to Greg's point, yes, all of the FXs have changed to the larger screen. But the VXs the VXs aren't touchscreen, are they?
No, the VX uses the same dash as the GP.
Yes, and those are
toggle pad on the side.
Yeah, they have the little toggles on everything. Like that. Yeah, I thought so, and for a second there, I thought, oh, wait a minute, I had to. I'm the worst at second guessing. I'm the worst at it. So okay, so yeah. Sorry, Yamakawi, we don't have a really good answer between the three of us on that one. I wish I could give you something more definitive.
Yeah,
hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.